Hi! In this video, simple decor ideas will review IKEA Tromma wall clock. I hope that you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This clock is made from polypropylene and ABS plastic. IKEA Tromma has a height of 4 centimeters, weight of 0.23 kilograms, and diameter of 25 centimeters. One of the things that made me want to buy this watch is how affordable it is. The price is only $1.99, and the numbers on the dial are small punched holes, so the color of the wall is visible through the numbers and creates a nice effect. This IKEA Tromma has good value for money, silent movement, good size. The aesthetics are great, though it's made of cheap materials, but it looks chic. And if you hang it on a colored wall, the color is seen through the holes in the numbers. Nice feature. That's the impression I got after buying this wall clock. If you're looking to save money but want a wall clock that's pleasing to the eye and has good quality, then the IKEA Tromma could be for you.